Welcome to the final module, the final touches. Today we're focusing on how to style a room effectively without adding clutter. Styling is the part of interior design where your room truly becomes personal, reflecting your taste and personality. This is where you make your mark and breathe life into the foundational design elements. However, many people go too far here. Good styling is fundamentally about editing what you have, not just adding more items. Let's start with how to approach styling your shelves and other flat surfaces. A simple trick is to group objects in odd numbers. Groupings of threes are particularly effective for visual balance. To maintain visual interest and dynamism, ensure you vary the height and texture of the objects you group together. Remember that empty space is not unfinished. It's crucial. It allows the eye to rest and appreciates the styled areas. Next, let's look at how to properly integrate artwork into your room's style. Scale is incredibly important when choosing artwork. Small art on a large wall can look lost or insignificant. For a harmonious look, your artwork should feel visually connected to the piece of furniture directly beneath it, like a sofa or console table. Finally, let's talk about those personal items that truly make a house a home. Your home should absolutely reflect you and your life experiences. However, this doesn't mean everything you own needs to be on immediate display. Be selective. Choose a few meaningful pieces to display, rather than overwhelming the space with every personal item at once. To help you apply these principles, here is your final action step for this module. First, select just one shelf or surface in your room and style it using the principles we just covered. Next, look around and remove one item from your room that you deem unnecessary or cluttered. Finally, add one personal detail to your room that truly matters to you and reflects your journey. You are now done with the styling process and close to completing your design. When your room feels calm, functional, and intentional, you know it is truly finished. If you've followed this entire series, you now understand the foundations of interior design. For deeper dives into color, furniture planning, curtains, or budgeting, you'll find more resources linked below.